Yo, Collector's Essential tayo for today. Let's go! Cutting time mga ka-treasure. By the way, shoutout nga pala sa friends ko na nagregalo sa akin na itong gear to ni Lupi. Pero tabi muna natin yan. Let's go and check kung ano yung bago nating Collector's Essential. So, join me as I cut this. Medyo mahirap siyang buksan. Talagang well-packed and sealed yung ating Collector's Essential. At ayun na nga, natanggal na natin siya sa box. Double bubble wrap yung nakalagay sa ating Collector's Essential. Very well secured. So let's cut this through to see kung ano ba talaga yung nasa loob na yan. And after all of those bubble wrap mga ka-treasure, here's what we have. Ang ating Collector's Essential for today is this Funko rack na nabili natin sa Lazada. So, maayos naman yung pagkakagawa. Kita nyo naman. It's not a very quality wood, I guess. Pero, it's decent enough for our Funko Pop to be dust-proof and well-displayed, as you can see. Lahat ng mga Funko natin na medyo, for me, memorable. So, dyan natin yan ilalagay. And, ayun lang for today's episode. Just want to share our Collector's Essential. Napakaganda, napaka-affordable. So, please like and subscribe. See you guys later. See ya.